Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to show grid lines in Word. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. To show grid lines, click the View tab and select the grid lines checkbox in the Show section. Now the grid lines are displayed in the Word document, but they are not printed. We can verify this in the Print menu. The second way to show grid lines, go to the Layout tab and click the Align button. Then view grid lines. That's it. If you need to change the grid lines, click Align and then Grid Settings. In this window we can change the size of the cells horizontally and vertically. You can also make a grid for the entire page or limit it to margins. If you are not satisfied with the size of the margins, click on this arrow in the Page Setup section and select the size of the margins that you need from all sides. And the last option also adjusts the size of the cells. The larger the numbers horizontally and vertically, the larger the cells. If desired, the vertical lines can be completely removed by unchecking this box. This is how grid lines are added. That's it, now you know them more. Thanks for watching.